Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. My name is Emmanuel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install fonts on Pixellab. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for coming back. If you're new to this channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. Kindly give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's get started. Now we all know that when you install Pixellab on your phone, it comes with a default font. Let me show you what I mean. So you select the text you have on your screen and then you select the font option and then you head on to fonts here and then you select it. All the fonts you have here are the default font that comes with Pixellab. So if you had installed a font on your application and you come to font here, you're supposed to see the fonts that you install here. But for now, we don't have a font installed here. And remember, when designing, you might want to install a premium font to help make your design look professional. But now that we don't have a font, we would like to install a font. So we'll simply head onto our browser and then we'll look for a website where we can get fonts. And the popular website I use for getting fonts for free is dafonts.com. So we have a DA, then fonts, and we have it there.com. So we'll wait for it to load. Wait for it to load. So we have it there nicely. And as you can see, we have several fonts here. But if you have a particular font in mind, just like me, you can use the search box to search for it. So we're going to search a particular font taken by Vulture. That's the name of the font. And I love this font so much. So we'll simply click on the search area and then you can see we have it here. So we'll simply click on the download button to download the font. We'll just download it so that we'll have it on our device. We'll just wait for it to download and then we have it there. So we'll click on open to open it. But remember that when you download this phone, it comes in a zip format. So all you need to do is to extract it. If your phone cannot extract by default, you download a file extractor from Google Play Store. So my phone will extract it for me by default. So I'll extract it to my internal memory and then I'll extract. So I head on down and I have it here taken by Vulture and then I'll open it and then the file you want to copy is the .otf file and that's the extension of the font. So the font is in two variants and that's why you have the .otf file in two variant as well. So if the file is in 3 or 5 or 10 variant, you copy all the .otf variant of the file because you might be needing different variant when you're working with it. So now that we have it here, we'll move it to a folder here inside our mobile phone. We'll move it to a folder here called font and then we'll paste it there nicely. So we'll head on back to Pixellab and then we'll select the font, select the text option and we'll go to font. So we'll head on to font and then we'll go to my font and as you can see we have taken by Vulture there, and let me just apply it here so that you see how the font looks like. And this is the font here taken by Vulture. It's a really nice font. So let's try one more example. So let's head on to our browser and then this time around we're going to download a font known as Brush Script. So let's go back and then we'll search for a font known as Brush Script. Let's just type it, Brush Script, and then we'll click on search. It has taken us to another website. Let's go back to the website we are working on, and that's .com. Let's go back there. And then we simply search for brush script. Click on search. And then we have different kind of brush script. So you can just check the one that you want and then you select it. I'm going to download the first one. So click on download. And then wait for it to finish downloading. And just like the other one, you open it and then you extract the file because it comes in a zip format. So we extract it and we extract it to our phone memory, and then we'll look for it. We'll look for it where it is. We'll just go to brush and we have it here. So you can see that this one have a single .otf file. So we'll select it and then we'll move it to this font folder here and we'll paste it here. Now you can see we have 3 of it, and then we'll head on to Pixellab. Head on to Pixellab and we'll select it, the font that we have, and then we'll head down to the font option so that we can change it back to the font that we have there. So we'll just go to font here, and you can, as you can see, we have the brush script there. So we'll click on OK and you can see our text here. So let me just reduce the size a bit so that you will see how it looks. I just reduce the size a bit and then you can see the text there. So that is how to install fonts on Pixellab. So guys, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Kindly leave a comment in the comment section below and give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, guys, kindly subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.